Sharing the screen, let me know once it is visible.
Visible, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So then where we are in the last class? Smart forms concept. In the smart forms, we saw that how to pass the company address, customer address. Passing the address, we have three options. One is hard coding the address. Second is we can get the data from ADRC table manually and show the fields. Third option is address is the option where you can pass the address number so that system automatically fetch the address based on the height of the window and displays that. So these are the three options we saw that. After that we saw the logo. How to upload the logo? It will be the same, either script or smart form from our desktop into SAP SE78 or RSTXL DMC is the program which is going to upload the logo. And then once you upload the logo, here we are going to use the same window, secondary window only. Under that we are going to use graphic so that you can pass the logo. So smart forms. Smart forms is the T code. Okay. Z22 smart form demo. I'm just writing the code in the program, in the print program, not in the print program. I just written in the smart form itself and I'm showing. Later we'll see that with the print program also. So this is my page, company address, customer address, logo I already shown. Next we are going to the main window. Main window, we know that the fetching logic, everything will be given after processing logic, everything you can write. Then finally you're going to display the one internal table data. Here I'm just wantonly taken only few fields. How to display is my main intention. How to write the code already I explained. Up to 123 rows. This is how I displayed in the script also. If sy sub c equal to 0, and if now I need the structure with three fields. Go to the types to create the structure. So you can copy paste or you can write, that is up to you. Ty underscore vbak vbln vbak hyphen vbln erdat type vbak hyphen erdat ernum type vbak hyphen ernum end of ty underscore vbak. So this is my local structure which is ready. Now global data, declare the internal table ztvbak. What is that? Type table of ty underscore vbak. But I can't show entire internal table data, right? I need work area because in the text I can show only the variable with in between and symbols. So that's the reason I need work area. So I'm declaring here work area also. But in the initialization, I return the code. But that ZTVBAK, I need to take it out. So I need to give the output parameters. If I'm not given, what happens? System will throw the error. You can see ZTVBAK is unknown. I declared, but still it will say unknown. So why? Because you need to take it out means you need to declare here ZTVBAK. Clear? Then activate it. Now the error will go. So this is how I have the data. My ZTVBAK is having the 123 rows. Now I'm going to the main window. Right click, create table. I'm going to show in main window only. Why? Because this is having multiple items which is going to flow to the next pages. Whenever you don't want to flow to the next pages, go for secondary window. If I want to data to be flowed for next pages, go for main window. Under that I'm using table. We have difference, table and template is there. What is the difference? Table means where dynamic data is coming, we can make it as table. Fixed rows and columns, then we can design it with the template. What is this dynamic data? What is this fixed rows and columns? For example, if you are going to a supermarket to buy the products, if you are buying the products, based on the products, the bill size will be increased. Correct? If you are purchasing 10 items, the bill size will be different. If you are purchasing 50 items, you will very lengthy bill. Correct? So it is changing the height of the bill based on your purchasing the items. Correct? So this is called dynamic data that can be designed with the table. In the same supermarket, if you are purchasing for 100 rupees, you are giving a card. Okay? Card statement will come. So what is that size of that? If you purchase for 100, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakhs also, the bill size will be fixed. Only amount will change. So that kind of bills, if you want to generate fixed rows and columns, then you can go for template. Clear ma? ఎప్పుడైతే మనకి డేటా నెక్స్ట్ పేజెస్కి ఫ్లో అవ్వాలి అనుకుంటున్నామో అప్పుడు మెయిన్ విండో కింద రాయాలి. దాంట్లో టేబుల్ అండ్ టెంప్లెట్ టూ ఆప్షన్స్ ఉన్నాయి. టేబుల్ అనేది డైనమిక్గా ఇంక్రీజ్ అవ్వాలి అంటే టేబుల్కి వెళ్తాం. ఫిక్స్డ్ రోస్ అండ్ కాలమ్స్ ఉండాలి అంటే టెంప్లెట్కి వెళ్తాం. సేమ్ సూపర్ మార్కెట్లో మనం పర్చేస్ చేసేదాన్ని బట్టి బిల్ పెరుగుతూ పోతుంది, డైనమిక్గా టేబుల్. దాంట్లోనే క్రెడిట్ కార్డ్, డెబిట్ కార్డ్ యూస్ చేసినప్పుడు బిల్ సైజ్, ఒక రిసిప్ట్ ఇస్తారు కదా, ఆ సైజ్ అయితే ఫిక్స్డ్, దాన్ని టెంప్లెట్తో డిజైన్ చేస్తాం. క్లియర్ అమ్మా? ఆన్లైన్ ఇస్ ఇట్ క్లియర్ వెన్ టు గో ఫర్ టేబుల్ అండ్ టెంప్లెట్?
Yeah, ma'am.
This is definitely interview question in smart forms. What is the difference between table and template? When to choose for table, when to choose for template? Clear?
Yes.
So now mine is a dynamic data, so I'm choosing the table. Okay, in the table first we have to choose the line tag. Hey, what is this line tag? Means based on my designing I'm going to create the line tags. So what is your designing? For example, I want to display my data like this. I want here header and the main item details, then footer. Okay, and in that I just want all the three columns in all the three places. In the header also I want three columns, in the main body area also want three columns, here also I want three columns. Then what I'm going to design? I will design one line tag with three columns. So this is enough. I can reuse for header, body area and footer. Okay, I'll create only one line tag. Now my requirement is like this. I want in my header and in my body area three columns, but in my footer I want only two columns. Okay, now how to design? For the header and for body I want three columns, so with the three columns I'll create one line tag. And with the two columns I want different designing, I'm going to create one more line tag. Two line types are required. This is for header and the body, and this is for the footer. Clear? Now I have the requirement like this. Here my header and my body area. In the footer only two columns. In the header and body area I want different. See, like this I want. Now I want in my header three columns. So with the three columns, I want one line type, correct? And then in the body area, one, two, three, four columns. For that designing, I want one more line type. In the footer, I want only two columns. For that, I want to create one more line type. See, I want to design three columns in one for header, and I want four columns in my body area and two columns in the footer. Like this, based on your designing, you're going to choose the line types. Clear, ma? Online, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now I want to show like this. Not like this, not like this. I want to show like this. In my header, three columns, sales order number, date, name. And I want to show VBLN, ER date, ER num. Here only totals. That's it. I don't want another columns. So I want to design like this. Now how many line types are required? Two line types are required. So I'm just going to design two line types. How to design? You can see there is a pencil mark, it is coming, correct? You can see, just drag a line. See, now two line types got created. If you are not able to see clearly, you can decrease the size. See, two line types I created. In that, in the first line type, I want three columns. Okay, so I'm just drawing the line here. I want three columns in my line type 1 and only two columns in the line type 2. Done. Like this you can draw, or go to the details. You can see total width is 16 centimeter. Divide into three columns and divide into two columns, however you want, but adjust it. Clear? Total should be 16. Clear, ma?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah. So this is how you will design first line tags. After that, what I'm going to display in the table, internal table data. So we have looping statements, correct? What and all looping statements we learn? Hmm. Hmm. Loopet? Hmm. That is one syntax. Next. Where condition. Okay. Hmm. From index to index. We have three looping statements. So which is loop at internal table into work area. That is one syntax. Second one, loop at internal table into work area from index to index. Second syntax. Third syntax, loop at internal table into work area where condition. Correct? These are the three looping statements we have. You can write here. Loop at internal table into work area. And if you want from so and so index to so and so index, you can write here. If you want based on the condition, you can write the condition. And you want to sort, before this, you want to sort any fields, you can just mention here ascending or descending. Okay. So this is how I'm just taking that basically ZTVBAK into GSVBAK. Just loop I want. So I'm just used it. Next, calculations. So you no need of doing calculations manually. Here you can do what and all calculations you can do. You can find the total. You can find the mean value. You can find the count. Number means count. How many records are there, like that. If you want to count, you can just take it. So totals you can just take with which field name you're going to do the totals. For example, in my VBA, I have a currency or quantity column. I want to do the currency column. At that time, I'm going to choose that field name, target field name. Once you calculated, you need to store it in a variable, right? That variable you can declare in the global definitions and you can give it here. When to calculate that sum? Before loop, after loop, before sorting, after sorting. After loop, after finishing all the records, I want the total. So after loop, you can keep or however based on the requirement. Okay. So like this, we will choose that so that system automatically do the calculation and keep it ready. Then output options. So normally styles we given in the form attributes itself. That is common for all the pages and windows. But you want specially for this table separate style, you can mention here. Then conditions as usual. So when to display, where to display, like that. This is what. Now I just given my table data which is ready. Now in the header I want three columns. Right click on the header, create table line. You can go to the output option, choose the line type which you want. If I'm choosing line type 1, see, 3 columns got created. If I'm choosing line type 2, see, 2 columns got created. So based on requirement, you'll choose. I want 3 columns in my header, so I'm choosing that. Under each column, what I want to show the heading. How to show that heading? Again, the same text. If you want hard coded text also, text only. If you want variables also, text only. SO number. Instead of going into the change editor and writing, directly I written. Then under the column 2, what I want? Create text. Date I want to show. Then under the column 3, what I want to show? I want to show the name. Done. This is about my header. Then under the main area, what I required? Create table line again. Under that choose line type 1 where you have 3 columns. So right click, create text. You can go and switch on that off and off. Go to the global data, go to the GS VBAK field, select the VBLN and drop. Okay. So no need of going. If you want to write just same, go to the editor, go to change editor and write manually also. That is up to you. So next, under the next column, second column, I want to create the text where you can drag and drop the date field. Under the third column, create text. Under that we have the ERNUM name field. So like this, the main area also done, means which is body. And next footer, right click, create table line. Which your line type you want? I want only 2 columns, so I'm choosing line type 2. In this first column, I'm going to keep total, and if you have any total variable, you can drag and drop. But here I don't have anything. So what I'll do, I'll keep the page numbers. Okay, you can do the calculation and you can drag and drop, that field is enough. But now here I don't have any currency quantity fields. I'm just making as page number as the text, and here create text, I want to use page number. Normally system variables we have sy page no pag no, so that it will show the page numbers. But in smart form, system variables are different. You can see system variables are stored in the smart form or SFSY structure. There you have SYST structure where you can see all. Here SFSY is the system structure where you have the page number. Just drag and drop. This page, this system variables will starts with SFSY. Normal system variable starts with SY hyphen. Here smart form system variable starts with SFSY. So like this, I just choose it that. Then after that, I'm switching off that. My footer also done. Activate it. Then just run this. Run the function module. Run it. You can give LOCL or LP01 print preview. You can able to see the data. Okay. So this is flowing of data. I use it the same page as next page. That's the reason these are coming. You can see the headers properly coming, and you can see the footer also, page number 2. Okay. So next, page number 3. See, next, page number 4. Like this, all the 4 pages it is showing. Is it clear? But I want this separators like a columns, rows, like that. I want separators to be designed. It is easy here. In the script, it is difficult. So you need to use box, tent waves, like that. You have lots of syntaxes. But here in the smart form, it is very simple. Go to the table. So go to the pattern button, display formatted patterns, and select the box. You can see that now you can go and activate. Now you can run LOCL or LP01. Click on print preview. You are able to see the rows and columns. So like this, we can design easily this rows and columns in the simple. Select the pattern button. Clear, ma? Online, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is about the main window, and we are going to use table. So whenever you have flowing of data, then design it under the main window. Under that, what you are going to use? Dynamic data means table. Under that, first you will choose how many line types you want based on your requirement. Then you are going to choose the internal table into work area. Then if you have any calculations, you can write. Under the header, main area, footer, choose the table line. Under that, how many columns you want, you can choose. Under that, use the text field to pass the hard-coded text or variable. ఓకే. సో ఎప్పుడైతే మనకి డైనమిక్గా డేటా ఫ్లో అవ్వాలి అనుకుంటే మెయిన్ విండో అనేది యూజ్ చేస్తాం. దాని కింద టేబుల్ అనే ఆప్షన్ యూజ్ చేస్తాం డైనమిక్ డేటా అయితే. దాంట్లో ఇంటర్నల్ టేబుల్ ఇంటూ వర్క్ ఏరియా అని చెప్తున్నాం. ప్రతి ఒక్క హెడర్, మెయిన్ ఏరియా, ఫుటర్లో ఎన్ని కాలమ్స్ కావాలో చూస్ చేసుకున్నాక వాటి కింద టెక్స్ట్ ఫీల్డ్స్ యూజ్ చేస్తాం. టెక్స్ట్ ఫీల్డ్స్ ఎందుకు? హార్డ్ కోడెడ్ టెక్స్ట్ పాస్ చేయాలన్నా టెక్స్టే, వేరియబుల్ పాస్ చేయాలన్నా టెక్స్టే. క్లియరా? Any questions up to here? Any questions?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Then we'll go for the next step. We have the standard text concept in the script we learn. So if you don't want to change, okay, if you don't want to depend on the developer to change the text, then they're going to maintain the text in the standard text and you can use it. That is reusable, and also user can edit directly. SO10 is the transaction code where you will create and you will use it. Same, I'm going to use it here. So right click, create one more window I'm just taking, which is standard text window, which is secondary window. Under that, I want to use text only. Even though you want to call standard text also text only. You can see here I'm going to use include text. Yes. So it is going to ask the text name. What I given? Z22 text. I think I'm not sure. So I'm just searching for that whether it's really available in my system or not. Yes, it is there. In SO10 I created. Select it and click on continue. Okay. No error if the no text exit. For example, by mistake or something user went and deleted entire text, then empty means don't show me any error, just show me the empty space. So you are going to choose that. And you want in a style, you can give the paragraph format here, so that in that style it's going to display the text. And this is about that. And then I want to adjust this window, right? You can give left margin, upper margin, like that, or you can adjust based on your requirement. Mostly in real times you are going to give left margin, upper margin, like that. Here I'm just adjusting like this manually. Okay. Okay, so then switch off the form painter and then you can activate it. Then you can run the smart form. You can click on print preview. You can able to see so the text. Okay, this is the standard text which is called same. We are going to use text only to call the standard text also by using include text. Is it clear? Online? Is it clear?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. Then, apart from standard text, we have another option also. What is that? Text module. So, what is the use of that? Reusability. We have standard text also reusability. You can use the same. Why you need one more option? Means standard text can be manipulated by users. But I want only for reusability, but user should not touch. So how it is possible means in the same smart forms transaction code, you'll have the text module. This is purely for technical, only for usability. User can't change it. If they want to change the text module, technical only can do. So Z22 text module, click on create. Okay, click on editor. Same, go to change editor. This is text module which is only for reusable, so not for the editor by the user, it is only for reusable. Save it, local object, and then come back. Done. Okay, how to use this text module in our smart form? Same, I'm going to create one more secondary window which is text module window. Under that I'm going to show you the same text only. Okay, then what I'm going to choose here, I'll choose text module. So standard text means include text, I'll choose. Here I'm going to choose text module. You can see here, so it is asking the name. Just now I created Z22 text module. Okay, choose that. If no error, if there is no text, then I want to adjust this window. Sorry, I forgot that. Just go to the form painter, adjust the window. Adjust the window. It is purely for usable, not for editable by the user. Activate it, and then you can run the smart form. You can give LOCLR LP01. Click on print preview. You can able to see this is only for usable, not editable by the user. Standard text is reusable, but it can be editable by the user. So what is the difference between standard text and text module? This is the interview question. Standard text, text module, both are for reusable. Standard text can be editable by the user, but text module can't be editable by the user. సో ఏం చెప్తున్నామ్మా ఇక్కడ, ఎప్పుడైతే మనం టెక్స్ట్ హార్డ్ కోడ్ చేయకుండా స్టాండర్డ్ టెక్స్ట్లో యూజ్ చేస్తున్నాం, ఎందుకు రీయూజ్ చేసుకోవడానికి, ప్లస్ యూజర్కి ఆప్షన్ ఇస్తాం ఎడిట్ చేయడానికి. సో దానికి స్టాండర్డ్ టెక్స్ట్ అనేది వాడుతున్నాం. మనకి ఇంకొక ఆప్షన్ కూడా ఉంది స్మార్ట్ ఫామ్స్లో టెక్స్ట్ మాడ్యూల్. ఏంటది? రీయూజ్ చేసుకోవడానికి మాత్రమే, యూజర్కి ఇవ్వద్దు ఆప్షను అన్నప్పుడు మనం టెక్స్ట్ మాడ్యూల్ యూజ్ చేయొచ్చు. సో ఎలా కాల్ చేయొచ్చు? సేమ్ టెక్స్ట్ ఓన్లీ యూజ్ చేస్తున్నాం. సో టెక్స్ట్ అనేది ఫోర్ ఆప్షన్స్కి యూజ్ అవుతుంది. ఏంటి? హార్డ్ కోడ్ టెక్స్ట్ చేయాలన్నా వాడుకోవచ్చు. సెకండ్, వేరియబుల్స్ పాస్ చేయాలన్నా వాడుకోవచ్చు. థర్డ్, స్టాండర్డ్ టెక్స్ట్ పాస్ చేయాలన్నా వాడుకోవచ్చు. ఫోర్త్, టెక్స్ట్ మాడ్యూల్ పాస్ చేయాలన్నా వాడుకోవచ్చు. అది టెక్స్ట్ యూజ్. ఓకే, so text can be used to pass the hard-coded text, to pass the variables, to pass the standard text, to pass the text module data. All the four options you can use the same text. Is it clear, ma? Online?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so then I'm going for the next. So this is about I designed one page. Now I want multiple pages, two pages. First page I want all these. In the second page onwards, I don't want to see all these windows, only text and the main window. How to design that? So here I'm just going to create one more page. Right click, create page, which is page 2, second page, or whatever it is. For page 1, you can see page 1 is repetition. Now I'll take it as page 2. For page 2, what is the continuation? Page 2 only I'll take. And what and all windows I want? Standard text and the main window. So right click on the standard text, copy and paste it here. That's it. And main window also I want. Right click, copy and paste it here. Done. But in my page 2, how the sizes I want, just go to the form painter and you can adjust the windows. I want up to here, then I want the main window will be increase the size. That's it. Form painter switch off, activate. Now you have two pages. First page continuation will be page 2, page 2 continuation will be page 2 only. So I'm just running this same LOCL and print preview. You are able to see one of four pages. First page, which is having all the windows. You can go to the second page, it is having only the standard text and the main window. Third page the same, fourth page the same. Clear? Any questions how to create multiple pages? ఇంకో పేజ్ క్రియేట్ చేశాను, కాపీ పేస్ట్ చేస్తాను విండోస్, అంతే. దట్స్ ఇట్. వెరీ సింపుల్ డిజైనింగ్. క్లియర్? ఆన్లైన్?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then I'm going to create page 3. What is that page 3? I don't want main window to be flowed to the page 3. In the page 3, I want only terms and condition. Without main window, you can't design page in the script. But here in the smart form, without main window, I can design a page. So I'm just going to create a page first. Right click, create page. So this is third page or terms and condition page. That is up to you how you want to. And I don't want continuation of page 3. It is just a terms and conditions. Enough. Then under that third page, I'm going to create a window. So what kind of window? I don't want to flow the data. So it is secondary window only. Under that, what kind of window it is? Terms and conditions window. So that I can show the terms and conditions. Under this, what I want? I want the same text. Create text. If you want hard-coded text also, you will use the same. You want to pass variables also same. Standard text also same. Text module also same. Terms and why it is coming down? Because the size of the window. Just go to the form painter first, adjust the window. Okay, then switch off that and go to the text, terms and conditions. This is to show the terms and conditions window. Okay, where No need of designing new form. In the same form, we can achieve it. Normally, not this is actually whatever required by the user that you are going to write. So, just simple, I just written this. Okay, fine. I created a page, I have a window, and I have the text. Page 1, I know that page 2 continuation, so that there is a link. And page 2 continuation, page 2 only, so there is a link. How I can link page 3? I don't want to link to the page 2 because page 2 is continuation. It finished, then only I want page 3. So here I can't give. Then what to do? After finishing the main window, I want to show this page 3. That's the reason under main window, create flow logic command. I'm just going to say that after finishing that, go to the page 3. Like this, I can link it. But this should come after table, not before table. After finishing the table data, this command should trigger and it is going to the next page. Activate it, and then I'm just running this. Run, run it, execute it. LOCL or LP01 print preview. You're able to see one of 5 pages. This is first page with all the windows. Then you can see the second page, continuation. Okay. After finishing all the 4 pages, it will come to the fifth page where you have the terms and conditions. So this is how we can achieve different page formats. ఓకే. సో ఇదే డిజైనింగ్ మనం స్క్రిప్ట్లో చేయాలంటే ఏం చేసింది, ఒక ఫామ్లో అవ్వలేదు కాబట్టి 2 డిఫరెంట్ ఫామ్స్ చేసుకొని దాన్ని మెర్జ్ చేసాం. బట్ ఇన్ స్మార్ట్ ఫామ్ అలా ఏం అవసరం లేదు. నువ్వు డిజైన్ చేయొచ్చు, వితౌట్ మెయిన్ విండో కూడా డిజైన్ చేయొచ్చు. అండ్ ఏం చేయొచ్చు, ఆఫ్టర్ ఫినిషింగ్ మెయిన్ విండో యూస్ కమాండ్ యూస్ చేసి ఆఫ్టర్ ఫినిషింగ్ మెయిన్ విండో టేబుల్ డేటా అయిపోయాక దెన్ ఈ పేజ్కి వెళ్ళిపో అని చెప్పి చెప్తున్నాం. Okay, so here no need of designing separate form. In the same form we can design a page without main window also, but you have to say when it need to go. You can use command saying that go to the so and so page after finishing this. So command can be used only in the main window. You can't use in secondary windows or in another windows. You can't use command option. Only in main window you can say that command so and so go to the so and so page. That can be used only in the main window. సో కమాండ్ అనే ఆప్షన్ ఎప్పుడు కూడా ఎక్కడ వాడుకోగలుగుతామో ఓన్లీ మెయిన్ విండోలో మాత్రమే వాడగలుగుతాం. ఇంకెక్కడ రాసినా అది ఎర్రర్ త్రో చేస్తుంది. క్లియరా? ఆన్లైన్, ఇస్ ఇట్ క్లియర్?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
With this, what I did, I finished whatever designing I just did it in the script. Same here also, I just finished in the smart form. But here I'm not used any print program, correct? So there I use the print program. Here I'm not used any print program. Entire logic I've written in the global definition only. If I want to write in the print program, then how to write and how to pass the data to the smart form, that we are going to see now. Okay, సో ఇప్పుడు దాకా ఏం చేశానమ్మా, దీంట్లో స్మార్ట్ ఫామ్లో కోడ్ రాయొచ్చు కాబట్టి మొత్తం కోడ్ అంతా తీసుకొచ్చి దీంట్లోనే రాస్తాను. ఒకవేళ నాకు ప్రింట్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ సపరేట్ కావాలి, దీనికి ఎట్లా డేటా పాస్ చేయాలి ప్రోగ్రామ్ నుంచి, సో అది కూడా నేర్చుకోవాలి కాబట్టి ఆ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ చూపిస్తాను. ఓకే, కెన్ వి స్టార్ట్?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So SC38 first to create a print program. So Z22 print program for smartphone. Just click on create print program or driver program for smartphones. You can call print program driver program for script also, smartphones also same. SC38 program when you are using for forms, they'll call print program or driver program. Any name they can call. So this is my thing. Now what we need to do? First, we need to write the declarations, correct? Then we are going to write selection screen if you have, otherwise get data. And then we have the processing data, then calling the form. Here we are not displaying the data, calling the form is the one. So you're going to fill like that. So here get data means start of selection. I'm just writing what I have already. I have code in my smart form. I'm going to copy paste instead of doing that. Control A, copy and paste it here. So that's it. So see, these and all copied. Okay. Now I want to declare the local structures first. So I have already local structures here. So this is also I'm just going to copy. I don't want to type again because already all these are available, correct? Then I have data declarations, global data. You can go and see here also I have declarations. Control Y you can press and you can copy like this. Okay. But what is keyword here required? Data keyword is required. Data colon give this. So comma is not available. Just use comma. That's it. Remaining everything is copied from there. And I don't want work area. I want work area only in my smart form, not here. I can pass the entire table data to smart form. So done. My declarations are done. My program coding also done. Now I want to send this to the smart form. How to send? For that, first I need to create a smart form. Okay. Before going to design this and all, if I'm giving a program, what I'm doing, control A, copy into your Word document and giving for your reference. Correct? But if I want to give this smart form, how can I give it to you? Correct? So means I can give it to you by using utilities download form. Smart form, you can go utilities download form. In the desktop, I'm downloading S22 SF demo, save it. In my desktop, it is saved. You can see 22 SF demo. It's going to store it in a XML format. Okay, it's going to store it in a XML format, which we can't understand by seeing the XML format. Then what to do with this? Means no need to worry. Okay, you have already XML format downloaded one, right? Go here, create one more smart form. See, I just created. I'm not done any designing, nothing. Utilities, upload. Okay, in your desktop, you have Z22 SF demo. Choose that one, open it. Hello. Yes. See, no need to write anything manually, need to copy. You have all the pages, all the windows, everything is copied from that XML to your smart form. Clear? So this is how we will download and give. You can create a dummy smart form and upload so that it will create all the pages, windows, everything is available. Clear? You think it is only for copying? Means for your practicing here only is it going to useful? No. In your real time also. Real time means in your working environment. Whenever you are working in the smart form, before going to do any changes, download the form and keep it ready and start doing the changes. If you did some mistake and you are not able to revert it, so where and all you did the changes, you don't know how to remove it, then what you can do, simply go and upload that form again. So that what happened, your changes and all will go and previously whatever form is there, it will come. Clear? So this is the use of downloading and uploading the form. Okay, మనకి ఇక్కడ జస్ట్ ప్రాక్టీసింగ్ కోసమే కాదు మా డౌన్లోడ్ అప్లోడ్ అనేది. మన రియల్ టైంలో ఎప్పుడైతే స్మార్ట్ ఫామ్ చేంజెస్ వెళ్ళాలి అనుకుంటే, ఓకే, బ్లైండ్గా వెళ్ళి చేంజ్ చేయకుండా ఫస్ట్ ఫామ్ని డౌన్లోడ్ చేసి పెట్టుకుంటాం, తర్వాత మన చేంజెస్ చేస్తాం. మనంతా వర్క్ అయితే ఓకే ఫైన్ వెళ్ళిపోతుంది అంతా ఓకే. ఒకవేళ ఏదైనా మిస్టేక్ చేసాము అంటే అప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలి? రివర్ట్ చేయాలి. మన చేంజెస్ ఎక్కడెక్కడ ఉన్నాయో చేంజెస్ చేయాలి. నాకు తెలియట్లేదు ఎక్కడెక్కడ చేంజ్ చేశానో మర్చిపోయాను. అప్పుడు ఏం చేయొచ్చు? సింపుల్గా మనం డౌన్లోడ్ చేసిన ఫామ్ని మళ్ళీ అప్లోడ్ చేసేసుకొని ఫ్రెష్గా మళ్ళీ చేసుకోవచ్చు. ఓకేనా? క్లియరా?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. So then I shown today how to design only the smart form. Within that, how to write the code and all. In tomorrow's, I'm going to show you how to write the print program. I showed how to call the smart form, how to design the smart form by calling from print program, that we will see in the tomorrow's class. Okay? Clear, ma?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Then we'll meet in tomorrow's class. Smart forms are very important. Please practice it. If no questions, that's all for the day. I'm winding. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.